Hello everybody, and welcome back to another wildlife and nature vlog episode. It's been a while, hasn't it? You can tell it's been a while. Wild man of Borneo. Yeah, a couple of reasons for that really. First is the weather has just been atrocious here in Lancashire. It's been very wet. It's been quite cold at times, which doesn't normally stop me from getting out, but yeah, it's been really wet. As you've already seen, we've had a lot of rain again recently. A lot of sort of surface flooding in and around the woodland, and as you can probably hear, it's really squishy underfoot out here in the meadows. A lot going on though. Second reason is work. I'm back at work pretty much full time now. And the third reason, as the donkey, yes, the donkey is still present. Third reason is, as you've probably seen if you watch other videos that I do, is that I'm trying to get my garage workshop prepared, ready for an up and coming project soon to be revealed. Well, I say soon, it's been put back a bit actually. It's probably going to be April now, but yeah, I just want to make sure the garage is all prepared, ready. So I'm doing quite a bit of work in there, and if you haven't already seen those videos, then by all means go and watch those if that's of interest to you. So I'm just pausing for a minute because the other day I came out. It was a rare sunny day, really nice. I had the day off, so I came out into the woods with my camera. I haven't got the 600mm, I think it was, lens that I borrowed off a friend of mine. I'm now back onto the 400mm lens, another one that I borrowed of another friend. So I came out with that. Managed to get some quite decent photos of a squirrel, robin, several robins, jay, and just as I approach where I am now, yeah, I'll just spin you around. You might be familiar from previous videos, this part of the sort of meadow walk, where I just walk around the end of this central thicket, and down there is the kestrel box in that tree there. We've just come in over the stream over in that corner, which was overflowing. So I was just wandering around here. It's very, very muddy here now, really muddy. You almost lose your wellies. I got to about here, and I just looked to my right and sat on that branch there. In fact, having said that, no, sat on that branch there was the kestrel. Of course, I got slightly excited. I managed to get a quick photograph of the kestrel just sat in the tree. So my question is that the parent from last year? Is it one of the youngsters from last year returning, and will they be nesting again in that box? I did check the box on my way around and didn't see much activity, but yeah, a glimpse of the kestrel, so I was really, really pleased about that. And oh, there's a bullfinch just landed. You can't see it from here, but I can. Really bright red. Pretty sure that's a bullfinch. There is a bullfinch in. I have spotted a bullfinch before in that thicket, so I'll have to go and check on that as well. Anyway, where was I? So yeah, I managed to get some decent photos, which I was really pleased about. Spotted the kestrel, and it was such a nice day. I thought, do you know what? I'm going to come out tonight and I'm going to put the camera out, the wildlife camera. So when I went back home, I checked the camera, checked the batteries, seemed okay. They were a little bit low, seemed okay. So yeah, in the evening I came out. I was actually editing another video, and as I looked out the window I thought, oh crikey, it's gone dark already. So I stopped what I was doing, grabbed the camera, came out, and I came and placed the camera where I normally do, on the fence post near the sort of Fox's Den area. Switched it on and it just powered off. Switched it off, switched back on again, just powered off. I thought, oh no, it's typical. I'd already put the bait down. So anyway, there is another switch where you can just switch it straight on. Normally you have to put it on to set up and then switch it on. I just switched it straight on, which you're not supposed to do. And it seemed to work. So I left it, wasn't very hopeful. I think it was because it was quite cold. Once the batteries are cold, the power just gets sapped. And I think it just dipped. But I left it anyway. And in the morning, I got up quite early, about 6:30. Still reasonably dark, but as I wandered through the woods and came out into the meadows, I was greeted with a fantastic sunrise. The skies were on fire. It was absolutely beautiful. Didn't last long, but I managed to capture it. So yeah, that was really nice to see. Anyway, came and collected the camera, checked it, and to my surprise, there was footage. So, cue the footage. So, the fox, or a fox, is in the same area, so that's good. Really pleased about that. There's a rabbit on there as well. There was a really short clip of something. It looked like it was jumping up at the camera, and whether that was the rabbit or just hopping past, whether it was a fox, I don't know. But I do now know that I can come back and place the camera in that area, and hopefully we'll get some more footage of the fox. So really pleased about that. Really good to see the fox again, and really good to see the kestrel again. Right, we're just going to wander down the edge of the thicket and see if we can spot that bullfinch. Some real signs of spring starting to appear now. The bluebells just starting to appear. The wild garlic, ramsons, they're starting to appear. I'm easily distracted, aren't I? So yeah, it's really good to see the landscape changing once again. Right, we're just approaching the kestrel box. I'm just going to have a bit of a check around now, see if I can spot anything. Just checking on the apple trees, you can see they're starting to bud. That's good. It's always good when they start to bud. Oh, you would. Right, I'll shut up now. As you may remember from previous videos, I launched the Show Me Your Winter Photo competition on Instagram. Unfortunately, I only got 2 entries, and one of those was mine. So, Ian, your photo has won a prize. So, I know all the snow and the ice is gone now, but it'll be good for next year maybe. So if you want to sort of contact me via my Facebook or Instagram, or any way you can really, let me know your address and what size, whether you want the smaller size, which I think is 3 to 7, and the larger size is 7 to 11, I think. They do stretch, so yeah, let me know what size you want, let me know your address, and I'll pop you a pair of snow and ice grips in the post. So well done to Ian for taking part, really appreciate that. Hopefully, if I do a competition again, more of you will enter next time. There's a tree creeper on that tree right in front of us. It's at the bottom of that tree now. They always fly up, they always work their way up the tree and then fly to the bottom of another one. Oh, there he goes, gone to the bottom of that one now. See it? Right, it's time to head back now, get the kettle on. I apologise for not doing more of these wildlife and nature videos in the last couple of months, weeks, but yeah, I will be getting back out again. So for those of you that enjoy the nature vlogs, then watch this space. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, then please hit that subscribe button. There's a really small percentage of people that are actually subscribed. So if you haven't yet subscribed, just click that button down below. It only takes a couple of seconds, it's completely free, and if you don't enjoy what you're watching, you can always unsubscribe, so you've nothing to lose, and it helps me out, so I would really appreciate it. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.